Welcome to our deep dive into the book of Galatians, a crucial exploration of early Christianity that resonates even today. Have you ever wondered how a community grapples with its diverse heritage and new truths? Well, Galatians is the letter you didn't know you needed to read. Written by the Apostle Paul, this book tackles heated debates among early Christians. Are old laws essential, or does faith take precedence? Imagine you're in Galatia, an ancient region in modern-day Turkey. Paul writes to the churches here addressing a burning question. Should non-Jewish Christians adhere to Jewish law, especially circumcision? Galatians is Paul's passionate answer, a manifesto of freedom through faith in Jesus Christ. His words set the stage for Christian identity, emphasizing that salvation comes solely through faith, not by works of law. Galatians 2:20 captures the essence beautifully. I have been crucified with Christ, and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. This verse highlights the transformative power of faith, signifying a life led not by human merit, but through the indwelling presence of Christ. The tension peaks again in Galatians 5:1, where Paul declares, "It is for freedom that Christ has set us free." Here, he argues that believers should not return to the bondage of law, but embrace the liberty Christ offers. Paul's defense of this freedom stands as a beacon against legalism. And don't miss Galatians 5:22-23, where Paul outlines the fruit of the Spirit. Love, joy, peace, and patience are not just virtues, but signs of a Spirit-led life, available to anyone who walks by the Spirit. By the end of Galatians, you're not just reading an ancient letter. You're engaging with a radical redefinition of what it means to belong in a world divided by religion and culture. Whether you're new to the Bible or a seasoned reader, Galatians challenges you to rethink the foundational values of faith and freedom.